How you doing today? Yeah, you know it's the Earl. Yeah, coming with you to talk about another product for W Earl's products. And first and foremost, I hope you're having a great day and are healthy and safe. Today we want to talk about the Stand Sturdy X Elite Pro Corner Standing Desk. It's a 40-inch corner sitting standing desk converter. It's ideal for cubicles and L-shaped corners. It's easy height adjustable and fully assembled. Apparently, it comes. It maintains a 4.4 stars over rating. Easy to assemble is a 5 stars rating. Easy to install is a 5-star rating, and sturdiness is a 4.4 stars rating. The X Elite Pro Corner Desk Standing converts with angled edges, fits perfectly into corners, cubicles, and L-shaped positions. Huge one-level surface, large desktop surface provides 5 square feet of space that can accommodate a 2-monitor setup as well as a mouse, keyboard, coffee mug, and more. Sturdy, experience bounceless typing and wobble-free work at any height with a sturdy desk setup. Easy to use, easy to lower, easy to raise, and once again it comes fully set up, so there's no setup once you get it, which is great. It takes time. And Amazon customer Bry Guy gave it a 4-star rating in February of 2020. Matt Nisi, N-E-A-S-E, Nisi, gave it a 5 stars rating in March of 2019. And Amazon customer Josh gave it a 3 stars rating in February of 2019. I've seen similar products work. Like, I don't own one. I plan on owning one, actually. I've seen similar products like this work, and they're well worth your money. It definitely helps to eliminate back pain, leg pain, going from the sitting position to the standing position, and back to the sitting position. You may sit for a while, but with this you can stand and work easily at your desk or wherever you might be working, in your cubicle at your office. Pull this thing up, and it's amazing to be able to stand for a little while and just type and maybe flex and relax and maybe even do a little bit of stretching in between your work issues and the things that you need to get done on a daily basis. This is a great product for W Earl's products, and this is why we want to promote it and give it a review today. I personally actually am going to order this product within the next 10 days to 2 weeks. Once again, I hope you have a great day. Be safe, be healthy, and we'll talk to you next time. Have a great day.